All right, good morning. Welcome back to another episode of your TTL Tips. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a new program here. That's an interactive whiteboard, similar to like the one you already have on your ViewSonic, but I think this one's a little bit better. So let me show you here. This one is called Gynzy or Gynzy. I'm not sure how you would pronounce it here. So Gynzy or Gynzy. You would go to gynzy.com and it would take you to the interactive whiteboard. You would have to actually sign in and register. You sign in with your Google account. I found it to be free. I haven't been charged anything for it, so it's pretty much a free account for as best as I can guess here. I haven't had to interact with it. I mean, had to pay for anything, or neither has it asked me for a payment. Okay, so it's just like a whiteboard, just like anything else. One thing I like is the features where I get to go ahead and do name pickers and group makers. So what I do is I imported all my classes already. I'll show you how to do that in a separate episode. But if I have my classes right here, let's say if I want to make groups of 3 or 4, I can go ahead and randomly choose groups. It'll do it for me. And if I want to go back and change it to groups of 2, I can go back and change it as well. So it'll pair them up. And if someone is not here that day, I can go ahead and simply remove them from the selection, and now it limits it down to the people that are here. It's a really cool tool to use. And also, while I'm in class, I like to have my kids read out loud. And oops, let me go back to screen. And let's say if I want to have, like, let's say, choose somebody randomly to read or to respond to a question, I can go ahead and just click the random picker, and then what it does is it keeps on choosing, so that pick each name only once, so that way it doesn't repeat the same names. So that's a good tool to have. There's a few other features in here where you can actually go ahead and go to the tools. You can go ahead and have, of course, like your voice levels, how loud the class is going to be. You can choose how to use that on your own. You can also do a buddy picker, where you can essentially randomly choose buddies, and then boom, they picked them. Now we have the next one. I really don't like this one that much because it just takes a little too long for me. But if you like having your kids choose randomly, you can go ahead and start picking them, and then when you're done, it'll show the groups that you have paired up. And there's also the other features on here. You have your calendars, you have your sound meters, so therefore if the class is getting too loud, see how that starts to raise up. Some other programs have those features too, but this is all in one. The one thing I did like, it also has a Kahoot feature as well. So you can create your own Kahoots in here. Somewhere in here, I got maybe in the library. In here you kind of choose your lesson, and I'll show you that in a separate episode. But right now, just to save time, I won't do it right now. But if you click on here, you have your randomizers, your lesson builders. I think the lesson builder is where you do the Kahoot. Your games and activities, charts and graphs, mathematic manipulatives, your clocks, your timers. It's all in one. You can put this on your ViewSonic, or you can put it on your computer. I put it on my computer. I mostly use the group picker or the group maker, just to randomly select groups. That way students don't have to sit there and pick and choose. If you have those CM sticks and you don't have enough groups or enough sticks to choose groups, then this is an easy way to do it. All right, see you next time.